Hey guys, it's Twinkies and we're back and we're gonna do the yoga challenge and where's my yo?
Aquí estoy!
Okay, so we picked out yoga pictures from the internet and we're gonna try to recreate them. Maybe we'll get there. So here's our first picture.
That glare though. Huh.
You got this.
Yeah, like this. Okay.
That's too much trick.
Okay, ready? Wait at the same time. Wait, get up, get up, get up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Here's the second pose. I call the bottom in this one. I swear, Maria, if you fall.
I think we're doing it. My side. Oh, you got crap on my foot. Show us the third one. Okay, you're funny.
I was serious.
Show us the third one.
That was it. That was the third one.
Okay, now the real third one.
I can find it.
Easy.
Okay, I need your lower back. Okay. Okay. I got you. Don't worry. Okay, I'm holding your shoulders, not your. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna push you up. Okay.
I think I feel it on my top.
Okay. Put your. I got you. Ready? Okay. Pick yourself up. Ready? Jump.
What?
I
have one foot.
I got you. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I got scared. You hesitated.
Okay, last but not least, number 4. Pretty simple. Ready? One foot, one foot.
I feel like I'm gonna break your ankle.